Well, like they say, like our elders would say, when a child watches his son cleans, he will dine and wine with kings. The ADC, as of today, is the beautiful bride that is receiving key politicians into her fold. When you say we are a moving train, yes, we are a moving train, because politically, we don't see anyone that is any party that is capable of stopping ADC from clinching whatever ticket that we want, or office that we want to clinch in River State or Nigeria as it is. As for River State, we have the likes of Rotimi Amechi, who is a former governor. We have the likes of Celestine Omeya, who is a former governor. They are all members of ADC. The former national chairman of PDP, Prince Uche Secondus, is a member of ADC. Senator Lee Meba is a member of ADC. Senator Andrew Chendu is a member of ADC. Of course, you should know that Andrew Chendu is the chairman, the vice chairman, south of the ADC. So today,
you have issued them membership cards.
Yes.
Yes.
They have all gone down to their wards. You see, the ADC is one party that we don't like doing our things, flaunting everything in the media. These people have left their former parties and are now full members of ADC. And then you can only become a member of a party when you have registered with that party and been issued a membership card. So all of them are full members of ADC, the likes of Austin Opara, Dr. Abiy Sekebo, and the likes. These are key politicians in River State that if you want to say who are politicians, you can't, of course, write these people off. They are all members of ADC.
Okay, can you tell us the current membership strength of ADC in River State?
Well, I can't say.
As we speak now, what is our membership strength? And possibly, are you expecting other people or calling on others to join your party? Or what is it that you want to do?
Well, ADC is a party that has structures virtually in every locality, in every LGA, in every community prior to this time. So when you talk about membership strength, our strength has grown from where we were. If we were 100,000 before or 200,000 before, I can assure you that today we are about 4 million or 5 million. I'm just trying to say. So
what is specific figure?
I can't be specific because every day people are coming in. As of today as we speak, we have over 800,000 members in River State.
Okay.
And it's growing by the day.
Sorry, please wanted to confirm, are you taking part in the upcoming local government election in River State?
For emphasis, the African Democratic Congress River State chapter will not be participating in the selection process that is going on in River State because the election is not taking place in River State.
Where is the election taking place?
No, that's your
River State is presently under martial law. So when you say we are in emergency rule and you want to come and conduct what they call elections, I don't know how. The young man that is there in Government House is a sole administrator who constitutionally does not have the right to conduct elections for Rivers people because he does not report to Rivers people. We don't know him. And appointing someone who is not from Rivers State to say that person is coming to conduct elections for us is absurd. So we will not be partaking in the charades they call elections. Thank you very much.